Look at these ones. Croilers. Tamuli mazi. Now one. Getting water to use in preparing the banana leaves. This is the bucket where ash or lime is mixed with water to use in the process. Genda kuleta. So I have put in ash. After putting in ash, this is what we are going to use. These are banana leaves that have been used for cooking food. So it is called a saniko in Luganda, and in Runyoro it is called a saniko. It is what we are going to use for mushroom growing. So we dip it. We dip it in ash. Dip it in ash. So as to increase the pH, we dip it in ash. Yeah. Put it here. Madamu akoraki. Madamu akoraki. Eh? Akoraki. So you dip this in water with ash or water with lime. Quite much. These are banana leaves that were used for cooking. So after this, we take it to the sunshine to dry it. You can take it to the sunshine or you can steam it. So this is where we are putting it in the sunshine to dry it. So let's wait and see what happens. We are leaving it to dry. Water, some water to put here. Somebody to give me some water. So after preparing the saucepan like this, I put some water. Enough water. Yeah. That's water. Then I'll put this to cover the water, not to come on top. Then I'll put this. Then I'll start putting my thing. So these are the cooked banana leaves. The banana leaves that were used while cooking food. Here I have the dry maize leaves. You can see now they are soft. I put them here. And then here I have my sawdust. The sawdust mixed mixed with the sugar cane. So I'll wrap. So I'm going to create pressure cooker conditions. I'm going to create a pressure cooker. So now it's time to steam. Since I do not have a saucepan, I'm going to use this one to cover. And create pressure cooker conditions. So this is how it looks like. You can put now. This is what we used while cooking sauce. The sauce is here, the beans. So after the beans are removed, it's where I will put to sterilize this. Thank you, much love. There you go. The pressure cooker is here. Yeah. So we have created our pressure cooker, and now we'll be able to sterilize our substrates.